Hey everyone, so it's been quite a while since I've done an unboxing video. So today I'm just going to do a very quick and short unboxing. So here I'm going to unbox the my passport, which is a external hard drive. This is 4 terabytes. I bought this I bought this from jbhighfive.com for around $159. So before we open the box, let's just take a look around. As you can see, I got the blue color version. It's also available in red, dark blue, and black. So my passport, portable storage, and has password protection. On the side, it just shows you how to connect it to your computer. I mean, very basic. And then on the back, it tells you some contents, what it has inside. So you got the hard drive, got the cable, and some drivers which is pre-installed inside the hard drive, and the quick start or quick install guide. And on this side, it just tells you some more specifications about the passport. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox it. So we got the hard drive. This is probably the quick start guide, warranty information, all that boring stuff, and the cable itself. So here is the cable. So on one end you got the USB Type A, which is 3.0, and on the other end this is the, I think it's a micro USB, but there's also another connector attached for that fast data speed connection. And here is the hard drive itself. It's actually pretty thick, obviously more storage. And all it has is that port to connect the cable in. And as you can see, I got this light blue color and has a nice matte finish to it. So there it is, and you can see that two-tone design, or two-color tone design. So it's pretty much, the front is light blue and the other side it's all grey and has that matte. Both has that same matte finish to it. And just a little quick comparison. So here I have a 2 terabyte hard drive, same company, pretty much same hard drive, except this one's 4 terabyte, this one's only 2. And as you can see, the it's pretty much double the thickness. If you had 2 of these, it would pretty much be the same thickness as the 4 terabyte. And you can see the color. It's a side view, and the back pretty much the same. And just another comparison, here is a Seagate hard drive, and this is 2 terabytes as well. So that's just a little comparison. So as you can see, this is actually a little bit bigger, but in terms of thickness, the 4 terabyte is thicker. This is smaller size but thicker, whereas this is a little bit thinner, but it's a little bit bigger. So 4 terabyte, 2 terabyte, 2 terabyte. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Just a little quick unboxing, since I haven't really uploaded any sort of unboxing videos in quite a while. There hasn't really been much that I really wanted to unbox on camera. So yeah, just a little quick unboxing video of the Western Digital hard drive, 4 terabyte. I'm not going to show you the me connecting it to the computer seeing the hard drive. I mean, we all know that what it looks like. So yeah, that's it. So that's just a little quick unboxing of the Western Digital hard drive. Thank you for watching.